our channel Careless Coders again. Here we bring another tutorial of responsive widget in Flutter with single code base for you. In this tutorial, we'll be studying about fractionally sized box class. Fractionally sized box widgets are another way for making your app responsive. This widget sizes its children to a fraction of total available space. You can assign alignment, width factor, height factor, and child to this widget. So let us start. This is our existing code for containers which are inside a row widget. So we will wrap them in fractionally sized box. We'll assign height factor and width factor to it. It gives an error. Let's wrap this in flexible widget. Now it gives the output. We get a green container. Now let's see what happens for a column. So that's all for fractionally sized box. Was another way to make our apps responsive in Flutter. It reduces major of the overflow errors. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe our channel Careless Coders. Stay tuned.